Hello everybody. So first of all, let me just cut this down. I'm not going to talk about this. I'm just going to talk about. I'm going to show you this small video of this man whose real name is Abhay Singh, and I'm just really very fond of this man. Like what the kind of the level of knowledge which he has acquired through his personal experiences. Like I'm just very impressed of it, and it is not ये सबके बस की बात नहीं है, टू अंडरस्टैंड इवन व्हाट इज सेइंग. मतलब समझना भी ये सबके बस की बात नहीं है. आपने देखा होगा दैट सम पीपल आर कॉलिंग हिम मैड, सम आर सेइंग दैट पर्सन इज इन्वॉल्वड इन इंटॉक्सिकेशन एंड ऑल. क्या है, देयर माइट बी सम थिंग्स. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू delve into those areas, but yes, when I heard him, each and every, like whatever he said, I can kind of feel that, and just I have that sense that he is talking very sensible things. And there is even one more video where he allowed some other person to sit beside him and verify if it is saying right things or not. And the other person was an intellectual as well. So I'll recommend you that video as well, but I'll have to check that where it was. So I'll just add up the link probably. So okay, let me show you this, what he's saying first of all, then I'll further talk on that.
ऊपर वाली चीजों से जज करके उस इंसान के ज्ञान को जज करना चाहते हैं. बेसिकली तुम मेरे ज्ञान को डिस्क्रेडिट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो तुम मुझे डिस्क्रेडिट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो कि ये तो सिगरेट मारता है, ये तो ऐसी चीज करता है, ये तो वैसी चीज करता है, ये तो ये क्रिया नहीं करता है, ये तो ऐसे नहीं करता है, ये तो वैसे नहीं करता है, ये तो पूजा में नहीं बैठता है. तो तुम बेसिकली इंसान को डिस्क्रेडिट कर रहे हो, तो तुम इंसान के ज्ञान के डिस्क्रेडिट नहीं कर पा रहे हो. ऊपर वाली चीजों से
ओके, तो आई होप कि आपने सुना इनको कि ये कितना, जो इन्होंने कहा, कितनी बात सही कही है. दैट it is that people will always try to put you down, whatever, however intellectual you are. They will not see the qualities, what qualities you have, but what they will see that what are the bad habits you have, what is that which is something wrong with you. So they will always look on the negative aspect. So the only thing you can do is what you have to you just have to have that faith in yourself that I know myself, I know my knowledge, I know my capabilities, and I'm not going to let others decide what it is. I'm not going to get affected by what others say, because आपका faith उस level का होना चाहिए. If आपका faith उस level का अपने ऊपर नहीं है, it means that you have not achieved that level of intelligence or whatever you have regarding which the people are saying. So better is that achieve a good level of understanding in things, or whatever you are doing, your understanding must be good. Doesn't matter results, never, it just doesn't matter that what your results are, but what matters is your confidence. So और आपका confidence तभी आएगा जब आपने उस चीज़ को अच्छे से किया है. So you just need to have your confidence. That's it. This is what I just wanted to convey, and I'll put up that link as well. That was a very good video if you want to see. Thank you.